How to use Glitching AI to automate your Shopify dropshipping. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Glitching.AI and then click on this option of get started. After that, AI will take care of all the tasks that you have been doing for years now. So AI will be helping you find the winning products that are actually selling out there in the real world. So you would be able to find some winning products using the AI. You would be able to automate every single thing with just one click, and AI will be doing from start to finish, and everything will be taken care by the AI. You will also be able to learn the art of making money through dropshipping using this particular platform. Also, you would be able to generate the product pages quite easily. AI knows exactly what product pages would look better for a particular product, and according to that, the product pages will be created and it will be optimized for the sales. You would also be able to join the private community of Glitching AI, and you can talk to other people who are just like you and starting out. You would be getting help from them as well. You just have to subscribe for a plan, monthly plan or the yearly plan, and according to that, you would be able to access the features of Glitching AI. So I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.